how to enable or disable SmartThings Auto Start Ambient Mode when you are near the TV on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down. Then tap on connected devices. After that, we scroll down and tap on SmartThings. Then tap on menu. Now go to the top and tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on advanced features. In here, tap on Auto Start Ambient Mode. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. In here it said Ambient Mode will turn on when you are near your TV and turn off to save power when you are away from the TV. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.